All right, everyone, it's been a minute. This is the last flip that we've been working on. My beautiful wife, Michelle.
Way too long.
This one is in Owasso. Tell us about it, babe.
Yes, this is in Owasso, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I think it's 1,050 square feet. We got it on Hubzu.com. We actually saw it go to sheriff auction. We wanted it. The bank bought it for too much. We kept stocking it, and it went on Hubzu for $68,000. After repair values, we're thinking 125, but we're not going to sell. We're actually going to make it a rental.
I think it might be 130.
No, not going to happen. Woo, if it does. So, new windows, paint. This was all rotted out here. This is Sherwin-Williams dovetail, and this is snowbound. And put a little bit of landscaping in. This is my go-to light from Lowe's. I do it on all the houses. It's only $53. I love it.
Nice.
Right, there it is, short lit. Pretty.
Oh, yeah. That is pretty.
Yay. Okay. Let me turn some lights on. Okay, so this house, we call it the 40-hole house because we had 40 holes in the wall. The hot water heater was missing, and the plumber that came to replace it said, I know the guy that used to live here. My dad was friends with him. It was a single guy and 4 boys. Then after that, some teenagers broke in and just used it as their hangout. So it was.
That's a true story, by the way.
Yeah, this was the grossest house we've done with the most. Yes.
Yeah, the turnaround on this one is amazing.
This took a really long time. So.
Okay, so there was this big thing right here that you got removed.
Oh yeah.
That was really ugly.
A soffit hanging here with no cabinets on it, so we just took it out to make it more open.
And what's funny, babe, the popcorn ceiling, I remember it feeling kind of not a style, but the way you did this, it makes it look.
We kept the popcorn, we just cleaned everything up, and yes, it looks like the other ones because I didn't use the same paint color, same cabinet colors. I messed up on a few things. See the hinges?
Yeah.
Don't match the handles. The colors don't match, but it's really, for a rental, it's really pretty. It's still really pretty.
Yeah.
Put in stainless steel.
And this is your color scheme because it works. It just
you
stick with it.
You see the floor? Yeah. This is new. I've never done anything this light, and I did it because the house is so small. It's probably not a really good idea for a rental because the grout's going to get really dirty. Okay, come on. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and 1,000 square feet. That's really small.
Yeah.
But I went a little bit darker carpet, and I love it. Let's turn the light on. Some nice LED lights. Put all the same new doors, new doorknobs. So the prettiest thing, let's go quickly to the bedrooms. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3.
Nice.
This is the master. It actually had a solid door, but I put this because you can't have a bedroom without a window. And it's the master has his own suite back here. So,
Nice.
This was really cruddy, and I just spray painted it in spots where it was gross. I don't know if that's gonna last, but it's gonna cover it up and get it rented. And it doesn't leak water, so that's good. But I really want to show you in this house at the backyard. It is on a beautiful corner lot. It wraps the whole corner. And it's got a big willow tree. Look at this. Isn't this a great backyard? You've got the whole corner, goes all the way around. You even have a separate section over here. So this fence had about 40 holes in it, and it's kind of a rough fence, but instead of fixing it, we patched it to save money, and it just needs to hold animals in it.
Somebody's knocking on the door.
Someone's knocking on
the
door. I have no idea.
All right, well that ends this little tour.
Yay,
Thanks, babe. Good job.
You.